Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Okay, so this is going to be a Holochain hot price prediction for March 2021. And look guys, I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016 and Holo token was very popular among XRP holders. Okay, I don't know much about Holo token now, but back in 2018 when it first came out and back in 2019, um, I was researching this a lot, Holo token. I currently don't hold any Holo tokens, but you can see that it has made good gains. So if you're a Holo token investor, congratulations for your gains. You totally deserve it, man, because you've been holding through this the bear market and also congratulations. But anyway, price prediction for Holo hot tokens. We're going to use, by the way, token metrics. Token metrics is a machine learning software. Okay, and it was invented by very smart people who made loads of money back in 2017, and after that they are very successful cryptocurrency entrepreneurs and investors, and they created this tool to help them to find better coin opportunities. And now they have released it to the public, and I've been using this for a week now, and I just love it. But in this video I will show you why I love it, and I also do the Holo price prediction using their data. For example, fundamentals and technology analysis are very good because they have the machine learning, but they also have a team of very smart people who go through different cryptocurrency projects and learn very deep dive, learn about the project and the community, and then they will put that information here for us all to see. So if you want, by the way, check out token metrics, you can find the link in description. 10% off. It's subscription based. I'm saying this in every video because I really recommend you to test it out. Okay, it has a trial, so if you test it out and you find it valuable, it's a tool that you can utilize. You have advantage over other cryptocurrency investors, or whatever your case is. If you're just interested finding more about this is a very good tool. But let's dive into it. So the first we are going to check out is here's the market sections. So this shows like where you can buy Holo token. So currently listed on my favorite exchanges here, so Bitrue and Binance. You can find link in descriptions. If you sign up under me, you will get bonuses. But anyway, let's jump into the price predictions. So this is the machine learning, okay, and here you can see the price prediction it has made. So this line here, this blue dotted line, this is the predicted price, and this is the price currently. Okay, so I'm using this over a week now, and I think that this is fairly, guys, I don't want to say like it's 100% accurate, but I think that this is fairly accurate. So it's saying now that Holo tokens are actually overpriced right now, so it wouldn't be something that I bought right now. For example, we are in the, like, think about it. Let me show you. We are in the middle of bull run. Of course, I haven't taken account when I'm doing now this. I haven't taken about all the information that it's available, but this is just hypothetical. So even if you're, for example, we are in the bull market right now, and like a lot of people think that we are still, and a lot of people are saying that we are currently, for example, here. So this is like a disbelief, and there's going to be a massive rally coming. If that's true, in a longer term, people are saying that this is going to happen this year. Okay, here's like end of year. Okay, and we are currently here. Now, if this scenario is here, it doesn't matter what price you buy in currently, if you really believe in the technology, in my opinion. But what I do is I think that this is, even though I think not this is going to play out, that doesn't really matter to me. What I'm doing here is I'm finding cryptocurrencies that have been development. They are good strategies. Team with the vision, team who lasted bear market, okay, team who has getting adoption, real world adoption, and not just just adoption, whatever adoption it is, okay, and it's valuable product. So they are solving a huge problem, and those within those projects, I'm looking for coins that have not pumped yet, okay. So with this mentality, cryptocurrencies moves like in cycles. Okay, so if you can catch the next cycle, you can just make huge profit here because it hasn't pumped. You can take like profits from that and invest in another low like project like this that hasn't popped up yet. I think that that's viable strategy for this current situation, but of course this situation could change in any moment. But currently I think that this is the smartest like fast trade action that you could do currently. I saw this exact same thing when 2017 ICOs, exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing happened. Just people just try to look at the projects that haven't yet popped yet, the older projects. I think that is also a viable option. Also, there's a because that is what Holotoken basically is. Okay, it's that older token which has already popped. Okay, so the next thing for it to grow, I think that there has to be even the case scenario is going to be we are in the bull run and everything is just going to exponentially grow, so it doesn't matter like what you own basically because it's very speculative. But the other side is also that if that doesn't like if this doesn't happen, then I think it's very hard for Holo token to grow like massively. Like think about it, like massive gains. But now there's currently opportunities that take place on this scenario, but they also take place on that they're very undervalued currently, which makes me think that they're better investments because there's like I hope that you understand what I'm saying here. So this what I'm like closing this is to I think that Holo is between like it has blown up, but it has not like blown up. Okay, I think that there's massive potential with Holo tokens, but I don't currently own anything. But I just want to quickly share that because it's basically what this is saying here, that it's a good project. It should go to this trend line because every like it just it would be better basically because now it has to touch this trend line in my opinion and this line, and after that it can go up. Also there's possibility that it could go up for forever, but you know what I'm saying here. It thinks that it's now overpriced currently, and that's where I think that is too, like currently. But after like a week, I don't know, like if the bull run is going to continue, then it's like it's nothing because it's going to go like a freaking moon. But if that's not going to happen, I think that it has pumped a lot so much already that if the bull run case doesn't happen, I think that it's just down there. But a lot of people think that the bull run is going to continue, so like you know what I'm saying. So anyway, fundamentals, this is the next that we are going to look at. So 88%. Now 88% is wonderful. I think I have never seen project with 88% fundamentals here. And fundamentals are huge. Fundamentals and technology, because think about it. We are here to make money with cryptocurrencies, right? So the project to gain momentum to increase in price, I think that it has to have at this point it should be very valuable. Like it has to bring value, some kind of value in any way. So if it doesn't bring value, I think that it's not going to get pumped that much. But there are still projects that bring value in like hypothetically, but they don't like actually bring value. So they're like faking till they're making it. And a lot of projects have like the valuation of the project is crazy because of this effect. Okay, so there's just the crypto markets are just in a bull run. There's projects with low technology and low fundamentals like blowing up. Okay, and you have to be very careful with those projects because when the bull run is over and bear market comes, those projects with no value, they're going to go to like freaking zero. I have watched it like for years now. Okay, it's absolutely crazy. But Holochain survived the bear market. It was created, it's molded by the bear market. So I think that that's fairly good for like good starting point here. But anyway, so fundamentals here you can see. So fundamental summary: Holochain is an open source framework to build distributed peer-to-peer applications. It doesn't have any fees or native currency associated with it. It is an idea that people should be able to communicate with each other without the need of any third party. Holochain creators are keeping Holochain open source, and there is no business model associated with it. To incentivize participants and spread the adoption of Holochain, the team has created a peer-to-peer web hosting company called Holo. Any user can become a Holo host and earn Holo fuel by renting free space and processing power to various hubs. Holo receives 1% of all transaction costs to keep up the maintenance. Unlike blockchains, the consensus on Holochain is not global. Holochain's agent-centric approach has a local consensus, in that the agents have their own local, tamper-resistant hash chains recording their actions. Built upon hub rules, because it is early days, we don't know how secure this model is. Thus, Holo loses some points on security according to us. The creators of Holochain have been working on designing currency systems for a decade, and Holo has one of the most capable teams out there. Incidentally, Holo is also one of the best performing ICOs of 2018. There are a lot of projects building on top of Holochain. We'll keep a close eye on these developments. Okay, so that's that. You can come here and read even more. Here's more about the team here. The team is very cool. So scarcity, deflationary, have or will any tokens be burned? No. Market standing, very good. Fulfills utility development, good. Liquidity, good. How much traffic does the website get each month? Over 20k. So by the way, when I was like, Holochain has been on Bitrue for a long time, but it's now on Binance also, which is very crazy. Like getting listed on Binance, I think that getting listed on Binance is a huge thing, because then there's, but if any new like if it starts, the project starts to get in the hype cycle, its prices probably will increase, because there's more liquidity. Okay. So what consensus mechanism is the project built on? DAG. How many nodes exist on the network? 500 plus 500. Let's jump into technology next. So Holochain technology, 67%. Innovation, not the most innovative. Architecture, good. Code quality, good. Mainnet, good. Usability, not so. Team, good. Okay, so Holochain technology summary. So Holochain is scalable peer-to-peer alternative to blockchain for distributed decentralized application platform. Holochain uses agent-centric agreement and consensus mechanism between users, where each agent maintains a private fork that is managed on the public blockchain as required with distributed hash table. Any blockchain maintains global consensus, but Holochain requires less than universal consensus. In other words, Holochain uses agent-centric agreement and consensus mechanism between users. In conclusion, Holochain is not a true blockchain and doesn't need mining, so claimed to achieve 56,000 TPS. Jesus. Whew, crazy numbers. Let's do this. So architecture, medium, not too complex. Boom, boom, boom. Good quality. Mainnet ready. Over 3 active variables, senior, solid coding style. More references here. Very good stuff. 67%, not like the best, but not the worst. Hey, and this, by the way, this is long-term investing, and this is short-term investing. I show you here. So this is like the short-term, and on the long term, love to see that. So let's see about technical analysis. It's machine learning says currently that the outlook is bearish. This is various day to day, but currently it says it's bearish. Okay, so definitely I think that it's a good thing at this point, because it's almost neutral. Okay, and I've seen a lot of projects very bearish and like neutral, but I think that a couple of new things and couple of positive things for Holo, I think that it could have another run, because it's a liquidity. It has Binance liquidity. Binance liquidity is the best. I have done a couple of like polls on this channel, and the majority still thinks that Binance is the #1 exchange, and I think that too. I use Binance every single day. They have so many coins, it's crazy, and it's so good to use, easy to use, never any problems. Okay, it's very smooth to use Binance. So I think that Binance is still the best one out there. But of course you have to sign up on different exchanges, so not every coin is on Binance. And now when you get coins, when you get into coins that are not listed on Binance, when it gets listed on Binance and if there's hype, that coin will fly. That coin will fly. Okay, so that I think that that's also very interesting to think about. And by the way, here's cumulative return versus Bitcoin. So if you have invested in Holochain, you would be basically lost. But on Bitcoin, 844% up. Okay, so basically, if you would have, we are here, everybody is here to make money, so it would have been better just to invest in Bitcoin than Holochain within these few years. Okay, but that could turn any moment. Like if Holochains, if you have a lot of Holochain, and if it's going to be the number one thing, okay, then Jesus, that's going to be crazy for you. But yeah, but it's the risk reward is basically there. Here on the website. So anyway, that's going to be that one, and you can come here and watch more stuff here. So token metrics, link in description, then % off, check it out. But let's go into the price prediction, guys. Boom, boom, boom. So the most bearish scenario for March for Holochain, I think that the most bearish scenario is that it would go 0.001. The most likely, I think that it's going to be between 0.002 and 0.005. I think that it can go to 5. Like, I think that's very possible here and beyond. Okay, or even 0.006. That's the most likely outcome in March. But if the Bitcoin will lose its support and goes below $48,000 like fast, I think that it could go really down. Okay, very, very down. So here, but not like crazy. It could go, but who knows. But I think that there is here's good support here. Anyway, so the mega bullish, I think that Holochain in March, like if Bitcoin just goes parabolic, like if Bitcoin just like straight up shoots up to $68,000 and beyond, I think that Holochain could go like 1 cent, okay, or 10 cents even. Like think about it, 10 cents. It could do that if if massive amounts of people came here and now Holochain is on Binance and some news comes, or just Bitcoin bumps and so much money comes in, the stimulus checks and all that stuff could send it flying. Like it's very possible, but that's just basically hopium right there. But the most what's probably going to happen, 0.003 or 0.002 / 0.006, something in between that in March. And well, most bullish would be like 10 cents, but let's see what happens. No financial advices. I don't currently own any Holo tokens, but I like to do these videos because I think that it's very fun to document these videos. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to check out my portfolio that I grow for my White Rock Crypto project here, you can check it out. Very interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff. You can check that out, link in description, and also you can check out the free newsletter. That is first link in the description, and also subscribe for daily videos. Yeah, that's dope. I always have to say that, so please subscribe. That would help me so much, and let's grow this channel, guys. And yeah, and leave a like to this video. It will help me to increase the algorithms on YouTube to help me to boost the content. It basically boosts my views. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That's the Holochain price prediction for 2021 March. Okay, so see you guys soon.